3 long exposure tricks you can use in the daytime. You just need an ND filter. Let's go. The first one is smooth water, and for this you're going to need at least a 3-second exposure on your shutter speed. Make sure you've set up at least a 2-second timer just to make sure that there is no camera shake after you've pressed that shutter, or use a remote shutter. Now, press that shutter, walk away. Let's head over to number 2, and number 2 is all of the traffic lights on at the same time. For this you will probably want a 4-second shutter. Again, an ND filter of something like 8 would be perfect. Take a shot. And your third one, we are going to make all of the cars on the M1 disappear, even though it is super busy. For this one, you're going to need a longer exposure, probably something like 10 seconds. F18 and a 10-second exposure, 2-second timer. Look at all those cars coming down. And there you have it, 3 different long exposure tricks that you can do in the daytime with an ND filter and a tripod. Get out there and try it and keep learning.